Hello everyone, happy Friday. I just thought I would do a very quick video. I just finished the session called OBS, or Dynamic Backdrops with OBS and Scratch. You've heard me drone on about this before, but I thought it was pretty cool. So cool, only one person showed up, but that teacher and I had a really great conversation. So I'll just show you what I have set up here to do this. This whole idea is for students and teachers who maybe want to add another level of sensory engagement to their Teams, their Zoom, any of the virtual meetings that they have going on. And so by using OBS, we are going to just take out your backdrop by standing in front of a makeshift green screen and downloading OBS, using a Chroma Key function, and then layering in back of you something different, right? I'm going to use Scratch to create a dynamic background. For those of you who know me, I like circles for some reason, and so it's an old sketch called circle packing. Anyway, just let me show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go over here. This is OBS working. You start to see my shoulders. I'm going to turn on picture in picture, and I've just got the green screen here, fluorescent green Bristol board taped to my wall, and a Logitech webcam here. And so when I step in front of it, whoa, and I have no light source or anything. I wanted to keep it really simple. And of course, you don't need to use an external webcam for this. You can use your internal webcam. And one of the neat things with the latest versions of OBS is that you can use it directly in the software as a virtual camera. And so let's say that you're just on a regular laptop with an embedded webcam. You can create all of these scenes and put something dynamic in the back. And so these circles aren't moving, but let's get them to move. So I'm going to come back over here to Scratch, and I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to restart it and push space. And we'll go back to OBS, and I'll step in front, and you know, we could have the meeting. We could talk about, I don't know, the fact that it's the weekend, and I would just be in this little tile on your screen because we would have a whole bunch of other participants, and you would see these random circles kind of appearing in the backdrop. It's a conversation point, right? It could be distracting, but for me, like in this time of all of these sensory engagements, you know, and distractions, I don't know, like let's use that distraction to engage in a deeper conversation about how we can have more meaningful interactions in this virtual space that we find ourselves. Anyway, so that's what I was working on today. If you have any questions about what I just did, or you're interested in adding a certain level of increased sensory engagement, having fun in your Teams call, please let me know. Have a great weekend.